Menteri Sorkar ka jala uba AL Hek ula pentip menta ka sngi bola pha ka CTI jumut ka baklan sha ka Sorkar pedeng hadin ka jing kerpat da ka seng ki nong hikai riulum jeng ka Meghalaya ka bakentu banweng kamno ya Vice Chancellor ka NEHU u Professor Sngewkhia ringkat bat ka jing pendu no ya nong penderung kerteng bat u Deputy Register. Ula penpau baka Sorkar pedeng ka dei bentung no ka jing Hek Halor ka jing keno bomla treikam bat ban pen treikam bakala ya Vice Chancellor. Haka sungi ublei la pen julore ka jing sa jong uneu Vice Chancellor hap deng ka Sngewkhia bat ka jing shat ngan ka bala penlong da ka seng ki samla pule ka North Eastern Hills University. Nakaliang Menteri rang ba ka jala konrat ki sangma ula pentip leng ba ki social media ba ula pha ka jing pentip shaw Menteri ka pule puthi jongkari halor ka jing long jingman ka badang yat ha NEHU bat la kentu ya u banwat e kilat kilenti ban penia sukno ha ka ne ka mat jong ki khna samla.
Don't have to talk with him, but I have sent my strong recommendation letter requested by the Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association of NEHU. I see it will be resolved as early as possible because this yesterday also I had a talk with the top leader of the national leader of the BJP, and this morning also I talked to for the same issue of the NEHU. I talked to the national leader of the BJP at Delhi. That letter is very clearly say on the MTTA, Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association of NEHU. So whatever it is written there, we have been strongly recommended for kind consideration. In any case, for anybody, for protecting the life of any individual, it is a duty of the government to protect them and send the security.
So there's a growing demand to remove the VCs. So what is your take on that?
So that one we have already forwarded strongly to the government of India. The call will be taken by the central government.
So you are of the opinion that he should be removed, sir?
See, we have to go with the opinions of the people of the state. The Prime Minister, the President, they are also the government. So the government only can do. No, he has said rightly, only the government can do it.
But there are also very serious allegations. So don't you think there should be inquiry before initiating any action?
That's what exactly now the central government are doing for the inquiry. Exactly what I have already spoken this morning. They are going to take the not a report only from one side. A report, it has to go with all the report given to the central.
Sir, by when do you see the matter resolved? Within November?
How you can ask me by when? It is a decision to be taken by the central government, not by AL Hek individual proceeding in Meghalaya. Actually, see, this student who are agitating, they should not damage or touch the life of the property. You can fight officially.
Sir, just one more question, sir. Would you take it up on your personal level with the...
Of course, I'm been taken up. Yesterday also I spoke, this morning also I spoke. Last week I have sent a letter. I took all front to ensure that they resolve this issue immediately.